Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Species Spotlight at the Key West Botanical Garden. This week's featured plant is the Wild Dilly. It is a specimen tree or shrub in the Florida Keys and a fairly common element of the upland side of the ecotone between tidal swamps and rockland hammocks in the Keys. So it is a small to medium tree with large shrub and with a dense rounded crown. The trunks are usually short, gnarled to 18 inches in diameter, but usually much less in South Florida. Bark is gray to reddish brown, with deeply fissured and breaking into small plates. The leaves, think of leathery clustered towards the end of the twigs. Dimensionally, it typically is 10 to 15 inches in height to 21 feet in South Florida. It is usually as broad or as tall, or it can get even broader. It ranges to be in the Monroe County Keys, Miami-Dade, and Collier counties, the Bahamas, and other tropical places in this region. Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Species Spotlight. We look forward to seeing you in the garden soon. This episode was made possible by our wonderful sponsors. See you guys next week.